Well, the breaking news information we're tracking at the moment, the Supreme Court is expected to deliver its verdict on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea, challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. At the moment, we are told a bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Deepankar Datta, which reserved its verdict on the plea on the 17th of May, they have sat down to pronounce the judgment. But Mr. Kejriwal, who's also the chief of the Aam Aadmi Party, I can share with you that interim bail has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal. Ishika Verma is tracking the latest updates for us. There's major relief for the Chief Minister of Delhi and the chief of the Aam Aadmi Party. Interim bail has been granted to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Ishika Verma with us at the moment. Ishika, major relief, not just for the Chief Minister, but for his entire party, the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, yes, certainly it is a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal that today he has gotten from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has given an interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, and Supreme Court in fact had said today that Arvind Kejriwal was in jail for 90 days, and in fact we direct Kejriwal will be released on interim bail. We are conscious that he is an elected leader. So certainly, big relief for Arvind Kejriwal from the top court. Arvind Kejriwal has been given an interim bail. So certainly big relief, and in fact, if we talk about Supreme Court also today said that necessity of the arrest, refers to the satisfaction of formal parameters of arrest. We have clearly held more interrogation, does not allow to arrest. So certainly, big observations made by the top court, and the top court has now decided to give Arvind Kejriwal an interim bail, and the top court has also said that we are conscious that he is an elected leader and he has been in the jail for the past 90 days. So certainly big relief, and not just for Arvind Kejriwal, but it is also a big win also for the Aam Aadmi Party, a big relief in fact for the Aam Aadmi Party. We have seen that they had said, that they are hoping that the Supreme Court will give the verdict in their favor, in the favor of Arvind Kejriwal, and today he has got such a big relief. And Aam Aadmi Party also, we believe, will be holding a press conference on this shortly. But what we are getting to know from Aam Aadmi Party sources as well, that celebrations have already, in fact, planning for the celebration is already in fact being made at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. So certainly a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal and also for his party, the Aam Aadmi Party. Over to you.
Right, so the Supreme Court saying that given right to life is concerned, and since the matter is referred to a larger bench, they have directed Arvind Kejriwal to be released on interim bail. That's what the Supreme Court has said. That's the breaking news information we're tracking at the moment. A larger bench will decide on the need for arrest. This is what the Apex Court has said. And the bail is till the larger bench decides on the case. Ishika, take us through the top key takeaways as far as this verdict is concerned.
Well, in fact, if we talk about the big points that came out of Supreme Court's order today, well, in fact, Supreme Court, and as you rightly said, had said that given right to life is concerned, and since the matter has already been referred to larger bench, we direct Arvind Kejriwal to be released on interim bail. That certainly is the big news, and certainly big relief for Arvind Kejriwal. And court, in fact, today has also observed that mere interrogation does not allow arrest. So this is also a big observation that has been made by the top court today in Arvind Kejriwal's matter. Now, in fact, court has also in fact taken cognizance of the matter that he has been, inside the jail for 90 days. Now, court today also observed that we felt whether need and necessity of arrest can be read into section 19, basing on, doctrine of proportionality is referred to larger bench. So certainly key takeaway is certainly that Arvind Kejriwal has been released on interim bail, and in fact Supreme Court has very clearly said that given right to life is concerned and the matter has been referred to larger bench, Supreme Court has also observed that mere interrogation does not allow arrest. This is also a big observation that has been made today by the top court, and top court has also said that we are conscious that he is an elected leader and he has been in the jail for 90 days. So certainly, a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal, and not just for Arvind Kejriwal but also for the Aam Aadmi Party. Over to you.
Indeed, Ishika. But interestingly, Kejriwal will remain in jail despite these bail orders. Ishika, I hope I'm audible to you. My question was that despite the Supreme Court verdict, Mr. Kejriwal is expected to remain in jail.
अंतरिम जमानत दी जाती है और जो इशू है सेक्शन 19 का और नीड फॉर अरेस्ट का, उसको जो है रेफर किया गया है लार्जर बेंच में।
अभी सीबीआई केस में भी केजरीवाल अंदर जेल में है, तो क्या ये एंटिम बेल जो मिला तो अभी सीबीआई केजरीवाल जी अभी जेल में रहेंगे कि बाहर आ सकते हैं, क्या है?
केजरीवाल जी अभी कस्टडी में रहेंगे क्योंकि सीबीआई की बेल अभी पेंडिंग है।
Sir, can you explain in English about this?
The CBI bail
has pronounced its judgment. We obviously don't have a copy of the detailed judgment yet, which will be uploaded in the course of the day. I am just giving a briefing based on what the court observed during the oral reading out of parts of the judgment. The court has examined aspects of section 19 of requirement of arrest under the PMLA. There were certain legal issues which arose from that, which especially in the context of whether there is a requirement of necessity of arrest in addition to the requirement of section 19 which are stipulated in that section. Those aspects the court has referred to a larger bench, and that outcome we will have to await. However, in the interim, the court has observed that Mr. Kejriwal has already undergone substantial amount of incarceration and therefore directed his immediate release in the Enforcement Directorate case. And therefore, insofar as his arrest under Enforcement Directorate is concerned, it has been directed that he should be immediately released. Now that obviously in normal circumstances would have meant that he would be released from jail immediately. However, after the trial court had granted, the vacation bench of the trial court had granted him bail, the CBI had also arrested him. Therefore, he has also been arrested by CBI in a separate, although connected case, but that's technically a separate case. Mr. Kejriwal has initiated proceedings against that also. That is pending and coming before High Court on 17th. So, depending on the outcome of the CBI case, his actual release from jail will depend on that. But insofar as ED is concerned, he is no more required to be in custody as per the Supreme Court order in the ED matter.